Hi, my name is Justin. I'm an English language arts teacher for a middle school. We have about 150 students, and I give Google Sheets 5 out of 5 stars. Before Google Sheets, I used Microsoft Excel, and I found that it just really wasn't meeting my needs, especially when working with students because of the shareable nature of Sheets. It's just so much more flexible, so many more options when I need students to edit a sheet with me or to create sheets for themselves to use. There's just way more options, which I really, really like as a teacher. I chose Google Sheets be number one because of its shareability. Like I've said with students, it's just wonderful because there's so many different options. I really like all of the extensions and add-ons as well. I found it just makes my teaching so much more flexible because I can find add-ons that I can use with it, and a lot of the extensions that are already made are just super helpful. Getting started with Google Sheets was pretty easy, especially now, even more so than I was as an early adopter. There's so many helpful tips out there. The help and search features are really nice. So I really appreciate each and every one of those because it just helps me be able to solve problems when I don't know how. And there's so much great integration with other software that makes it easy as well. If you're considering getting Google Sheets for your company, I think looking again at shareability and how easy it is for a team to work on it, I think is just a really great resource for that, and that that can be used in all different modes, different businesses, whether you're in business or education like I am.